We have another stunning 2-bed, 2.5 bath at Pointe, ground level unit. Stone's throw away from the swimming pool. Nice size veranda. All appliances, washing machine, tumble dryer, fridge, air cons, separate scullery, ample size, and also for a double door fridge if you want to add an extra fridge. There's the main ensuite. Still ample room if you want to add more cupboards. With a nice little dressing table. Ensuite bathroom 1. Guest bathroom. Nice simple neat. Bedroom 2. Ensuite. Cupboards, all rooms are fully air-con. Nice rounded off 2-bedroom unit and ground floor, which is a bonus.